UMLA barim ka Shillong constituency ba Mahindro Rapsang hak arphulai tarik jeliu ula penisno de Khubor de shaka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP rengkat kinong senran bat kinong bot jong u. Hak ni kesengi la pediang burom ya uba Mahindro da Presiden ke Meghalaya BJP Rikman G Momen hak jingdan rengkat UMLA ke BJP ba Khubor bat kinong yalam ke nega parti. Habakran Shakila Pathai Khubor u Rikman G Momen ulaong kajingwan penyesno uba Mahindro Rapsang shaka parti kadeban penklan ya kanika seng bat ulaya thu hakisi banwan kindang don kirang ba nakiwe kiseng seng perthai kibanwan ban penyesno yala de shaka BJP.
Now, officially, Shri Mahindro Rapsang is a primary member of the Bharatiya Janata Party and now
Good morning, everyone. My respected Harika
State President, Mr. Rikman G, Honorable Cabinet Minister of State, Khhuborjylla, Wat Khubor, the General Secretary, the District President, the members of the state BJP units, and then the mandal which are here, and all my well-wishers who are completing today to join this grand party. As I take this significant step, I'm honored to join the Bharatiya Janata Party today, the 23rd of June 2026, and stand among the pillars of strong and prosperous India. Under the visionary and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is progressing with strength, confidence and global respect. His commitment to nation building, efforts in transforming India into a prosperous and self-reliant country inspired me to dedicate myself to continue public service. The BJP has made it clear that we must listen to the aspiration of the people, and that's the objective I'll take forward. I'm committed to working sincerely for the welfare of the people. I extend my gratitude to the member of this great party for welcoming me into this great family. I will work for the progress of our state, our nation, and I seek the support and the blessing of everyone as I begin this new journey. I'll strive to make our journey together a story of progress, prosperity, a pride for Meghalaya and India. Jai Hind, thank you, Mahila.
In politics, every party wants its own party to grow. So we never underestimate other political party. As a BJP, we will work and we will work to win. So there is no question of Paul or Rapsang or Maori or anyone else. So as a party, we are going to work together to win the constituency.
So right now, how many more joinings we are expected to see?
See, in politics, in the party, everyday joining is there. So whenever there is a people who wants to join, we accept. We welcome everyone. Anyone can come and join the BJP party to strengthen the party and to bring up the party so that the schemes, the projects which government of India has already allotted to Meghalaya, that has to reach to the concerned beneficiary.
But when will be the next joining?
Most probably this week also, continuously.
Is any former MLA is joining the party?
That I will not able to reveal right now, but joining will be going on. No, in BJP we never assure ticket to anyone. In BJP, everyone is welcome to strengthen the party.
Yeah.
Inclusion in the party as by-elections will be approaching.
See, whenever a good leaders, a prominent leaders joins, naturally the party will grow.
The name for the candidate for the by-election, has the party taken any decision or will,
This question has been asking from last 3-4 months.
but will you consider if Rapsang wants to contest?
That is not in my hand. That is in the National Parliamentary Board. Election Parliamentary Board, sorry. See, as usual, our central leadership always wait for the announcement from the Election Commission. So till now, Election Commission has not yet announced it, so there's nothing to rush. We are getting ready with our own work.
Today, in the speech, you mentioned about integrity, unity, and integrity of the country. A bit different mission. We have seen that there were an attempt from Bangladesh side to push Bangladeshi national towards Indian territory, towards Meghalaya sector. So, what do you think about it?
In which area? Meghalaya. Mahindra, of course, I also see the news, but I think that is not by Bangladesh. I think that is some mental disorder person only who is roaming around in that area, I think. And lastly, it has been resolved peacefully.
But there is an attempt to even push. So what do you think about this Bangladesh attempt?
See, that I cannot say right now. Whether they are doing it legally or illegally, so that I cannot, right now I cannot tell you.
And what is
Recently, Mr. Rajnath also visited and we went to have a meeting. Can you just elaborate a few points?
That is already come out in the newspaper. No, that's enough. The newspaper, I think you have already seen it.
Adding to my question, what is your stand on this infiltration and immigration at the border?
Infiltration, we are totally against illegal infiltration. Where legally someone is coming, then we cannot say anything about that. But illegally, we are totally against it, and we will work against it also.
Today is only induction of former MLA. We make it a quick end. Thank you.
I was former MLA Mahindro. He has come here today. He has joined BJP formally, and we are going to work together. As you are asking about my former president, Anis Moriji, see, he is already proposed to go to Calcutta, so I think he is on his own way to Calcutta. He is not in the station. So he gave through me a good wishes to all Rapsang.
Okay, so now how do you?
Yeah, that's a good question. I've been expecting that. You see, I was happy. I was happy in the tenure with NTV also. And then when I contested the 23 election, I lost that seat. Okay. Now moving forward, after joining BJP now, for what? For the growth of the state and the nation as well. That's all. That is my aim.
West Shillong is the general constituency. Do you think that joining BJP will give you benefit in this West Shillong constituency?
West Shillong is a
General constituency.
general, yeah. Yeah, it will benefit. Why not? people are starting voting for BJP. Even the tribal and not tribal, everybody is voting for BJP.
And there are also talks going on that Papalinga may join NPP. Do you see that if he joins NPP, will there be any challenging kind of situation for you?
I don't have any comments on that.
Do you see Papal a challenge for you since you have joined BJP?
See, elections every time is a challenge for anybody who contests the election. So I don't see to others where he joined, who joined, what joined, but I see to myself, and I am stick with the party, I'll work with the party. If the party finds fits to be to contest the election, I'll contest. I live within the party.
There were since before election, always we find that some comments or other comments comes out against the atrocities against Christians. So if comes out before election, will also hamper your prospect. How are you planning to counter that?
I don't think so will happen. We'll try to explain, talk to the people how we're going to solve this problem.
Untuk balang bila pan batai ni kai kedau bah penilong